guys, welcome to another video. I am Tori and today I'll be making sorrel, which is a drink that is associated with Christmas for Jamaicans, just like how turkey is associated with Thanksgiving for Americans. So first I get some water and put it to boil, then I cut my ginger. You can either cut your ginger and boil it with the water or use ginger extract, or well, I'm half blending my ginger to boil in the water. So while the water is still on the stove, I'm putting the ginger inside just so it can boil, and so the water has that strong ginger flavor. Yeah. So most people that I've met outside of Jamaica said they don't know what sorrel is. So it looks like that is the fruit of the plant, and this is dried sorrel only because I get dried sorrel over here, but in Jamaica I'll get the fresh sorrel. So once the ginger is boiled, I just put the sorrel in, but I turn off the stove so there's no heat under the water right now, and I'll leave the sorrel to seep. Do you say seep or steam in the ginger and the water? Yeah, some people leave it overnight, but you could leave it for a couple hours. It's really up to you. Based on how it has a strong smell, like a good strong smell, so you'll know when it's ready. So once it's soaked, the longer it stays, the darker it is and the stronger the flavor is. So that's really up to you how long you want it to soak for. So as you can see, it's red. That's the color of it. Once you're finished soaking, you just strain the sorrel and then sweeten with sugar, and you can have it chilled. Some people put overproof white rum in it. It's something like vodka, just rum. But I won't be putting rum in mine. But you can have it as a non-alcoholic beverage or an alcoholic beverage. So here I've shared something that's a part of me culturally. So let me know in the comments something that's a must-have at your dinner table for Christmas. Yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already.